Aloha. Behind those gates is the area that I built for my jet ski. At the time, it didn't go out very often, so opening them manually was no big deal. I would just undo the locks and then take both of them back to get the jet ski out. But since I got my when it rains out smart car so that I don't have to wash my 2020 Corvette every time it rains, I had to install something that was easier and faster. So that's when I got the idea to get the dual gate openers. Here's how it works, but first, in the front, you can see I had to bury the 5 control wires for the right side actuator to go to the control box. I also had to fabricate the brackets out of aluminum because the dual gate openers were made for steel or wood gates, not flimsy plastic, so I had to reinforce them. This is my new remote control. Now the gates have a soft open, soft close feature. They also have an automatic close feature. So now my smart car is back there. When I want to come and go, all I do is push a button and I can come and go. Here are the brackets that I made out of aluminum so that the plastic would hold up to the actuators. The wires came through to the control box. I had to wire separately 25 feet for the AC power to come to the control box. Then I put in a wireless remote control, and it works just like that. I love it, and they work like a champ. They close perfectly. Aloha and stay safe.